Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my house, that is Dream Castle. Me, my mom, dad and my younger brother, we four live here, and we live here since about 20 years. We have recently renovated it, so I'm going to show you around and you are going to love the interior. So let's go. So this is our entry and we have the nameplate here stating the Dream Castle and our names. Okay, so this is our living room. So this is our false ceiling and this is Jumar. Now this is the dining area. So this is washing area, TV unit. This is curved glass center table. It's beautiful. This is our first master bedroom. This is our balcony. We have the 𝑪𝒂𝒔𝒕 Plaza here. You can see the metro station work is going on. And this one here is my room. We can see the skeleton here. It's beautiful. Let's see what's there in the cupboard. Whoa, all the books are there. Davangiri, Campbell, Rockwood, everything is there. All the books for the orthopedics. And this one is attached bathroom. And this is kitchen. Modular kitchen it is. So that's it. That's the end of our tour of the Dream Castle. I hope you like the interiors. Thank you.